Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus IS250 door panel. First, gather your tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. These tools are essential for safely detaching the panel without causing damage. Having a clean, organized workspace will also make the process much smoother, especially when keeping track of small fasteners. Let's get started. Next, we'll begin by removing the visible fasteners. Locate the small plastic cover behind the inner door handle and carefully pry it off with your trim tool. This reveals a Phillips head screw, which you should remove. Then, gently lift the window control panel from the door, being careful not to force it. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the switch assembly and set the panel aside. There may also be additional screws under the armrest or behind the window switch panel. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips. You'll hear a popping sound as they release. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining wires or cables. Disconnect the door handle and lock cables by unhooking them from their mechanisms on the panel's backside. Before setting the panel completely aside, disconnect any final electrical connectors, such as for the courtesy light at the bottom of the door. Now, take a moment to inspect the plastic clips on the back of the panel. If any are broken, it's a good idea to replace them for a secure fit. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. To reinstall, simply reverse the removal process, ensuring all clips align and electrical connections are firmly reattached. Double-check that all screws are tightened appropriately for a secure finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.